back to Grandma's Corner, where making cheap videos is better than having a barrel of monkeys around. All right, today we are going to learn how to make homemade butter. Woo, woo, get excited. Isn't butter like a staple in our diets? It is the most luscious condiment that you can add to lots of food for lots of flavor. But sometimes I like to make my own butter. And it's so easy as long as you are willing to shake, 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 shake your booty, and you can make yourself some butter. All right, all you need is to start off with heavy whipping cream and a jar with a secure lid. And I am going to recommend a piece of saran wrap to make sure that when you are shaking, none of that cream gets out. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to pour in, I don't know, let's say about that much cream. It totally depends on the size of your container. You don't want to fill it to the top because you want to be able to shake it into the butter. Seal it with some saran wrap, plastic wrap, whatever you want to call it. Put on a secure lid and start shaking. You can sing your favorite song. You can walk around the house and tidy up a little bit. Pick up your dirty clothes, throw them in the laundry, talk to the dog, write a letter, whatever you want to do, because this is going to take some time to do. You're just going to shake and shake and shake some more. And you're going to shake until you think you can't shake anymore, and then you can pass it off to somebody else and let them shake it up a bit. Anyway, well, I'm going to show you what happens after you shake, shake, shake for quite some time. This is what it's going to turn into, a blob. And this is now going to be your butter. So I'm going to take this out. And I'm going to put this into a nice container. Where's my spoon? Here's my spoon. I have to be prepared for this. And look at that, folks. What a beautiful, soft serve butter I have just made. If you like it a little salted, go ahead and put some salt in there and then spread on your favorite pancake or your toast or whatever you like. One more thing I was going to tell you is about halfway through this process, shake, 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 you're going to see a lot of foamy stuff in there. That foamy stuff has now become whipping cream. If you like whipped cream on top of things, there you go. Stop halfway, add yourself a little bit of sugar, and you've got yourself a beautiful topping. All right, folks, I'm going to continue my shaking because I've got to finish my butter because I'm going to be making something good this afternoon with it. All right, I hope you enjoyed this. Get some good exercise shaking, get those biceps going, and then enjoy your butter. I hope you enjoyed the day today. All right, ta-ta for now.